Welcome to Sophia Amos Kitchen. These days the weather is getting hotter and there are so many new fresh vegetables sold in the market and the prices are so cheap. So today I bought lots of vegetables with just $10. So I'm so happy today. And then today we're gonna make kimchi, but not just original kimchi which is usually made in winter. But today we will make cucumber kimchi, which is representative of summer kimchi. Some people think that the kimchi is quite difficult to make and takes a long time, but the cucumber kimchi is very easy. Just remember the process: salting and make seasoning and mixing. That's all. So it's so easy. So let's get started. Step 1. Salt cucumber. First, wash the cucumber with sun-dried salt and rinse the cucumber evenly. In this way, you can remove some debris around the bump of the surface of the cucumber. Second, cut cucumbers in half in lengthy size first, and then cut them in half again. And then cut them to bite size. Third, put chopped cucumber in a mixing bowl and put 1 tablespoon of sugar in it and mix them well first. And next, add 1 tablespoon of sun-dried salt in it and mix them together. Here's the first tip. The reason why we put sugar before adding salt is because sugar increases the cucumber's crispiness. And then the cucumber will not be easily tender and maintain crispiness. Fourth, please set aside to be salt for 30 minutes. Here's the second tip. Please turn it over once to salt cucumber evenly in the middle of cutting other vegetables. And then salting is finished. Step 2. Make seasoning. First, cut off the onion into cube size. Actually, whatever shape doesn't matter. Second, mince 3 garlic cloves, about 1 tablespoon of garlic. If you like strong raw garlic flavor, you can put more, but decide on the amount of garlic depending on your taste. Third, cut the chives into about 1 inch size, about 3 centimeters. Fourth, chop salted shrimp into small pieces. Ta-da! This is salted shrimp. Look at the baby shrimps. Actually, this is the third tip. This makes kimchi flavory. My mom used to put salted shrimp in her food like soup or kimchi instead of salt. But if you don't have it, you can just use fish sauce like anchovy sauce. Oh, don't forget to remix the salted cucumber again now. Step 3. First, put chopped onions and minced garlic and salted shrimp in a mixing bowl and add 4 tablespoons of hot pepper flakes and 1 tablespoon of plum extract and half tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of salt in it. And second, mix them well and marinate for about 10 minutes. Third, meanwhile, you need to wash salted cucumber with water and put them in a colander to drain the water for a few minutes. Fourth, now put cucumber in a mixing bowl and mix them well to be seasoned evenly. Here's the final tip. The reason why I didn't mix chives with cucumber together is because chives can have the smell of young herbs. Also, it can become too soggy, so it has to be the last. And fifth, finally, you can chive in it and mix them very, very gently. And sprinkle the sesame seeds on them. Done. It looks so fresh and delicious. Now, let's put cucumber kimchi in an airtight container. Press down the kimchi gently to prevent air from coming inside, because air makes kimchi go bad easily. Ferment kimchi at room temperature for a day and keep it in a refrigerator. The next day, you can enjoy well-ripened cucumber kimchi. But if you like fresh raw kimchi, you can eat now like me. So yummy. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your feedbacks encourage me to do my best. I love you. See you next time. 안녕.